Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Vivo V29 Pro 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. First of all, open camera and take pictures. While pressing the shutter button, for each capture, there will be a sound. This is called shutter sound. If you would like to turn off this shutter sound, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is just go to this camera settings here and click on more settings here, and the first option available here is shutter sound. Just to turn off this shutter sound so that you will not get any sound hereafter if you capture from your phone. And I capture now, there is no shutter sound. So in this way you can easily turn off camera shutter sound in your phone Vivo V29 Pro 5G. That's all friends, thanks for watching, bye.